Hello, my name is Ken Echirachi. I am the organizer and originator of Back to Health Retreat and the Back to Health program. And if you have been listening to or looking at Facebook or LinkedIn posts I've been posting, you know this is a retreat I'm organizing in May in 2020. And the story is that I used to be overweight and had type 2 diabetes, and through diet, exercise and relaxation techniques that are fun, innovative and actually easy to do but also impactful, I have managed to lose my weight and reverse my diabetes. This video is like an invitation for you to join in January with myself and my co-host, co-organizer Teresa, for a demonstration of healthy cooking. So I'm going to, as a precursor to that, I'm going to show you how to cook something really simple. You do not have any need to have any cooking ability to do this. It's completely vegan and it's very nutritious, energetic, and at the same time you won't put weight if you eat this in conjunction with your exercise program. So what I'm going to cook for you is vegetable cooked in peanut sauce and a Sri Lankan flatbread with coconut, called coconut roti. So two easy, very easy recipes to make and economical, and also it's quite quick to make. So I'm going to show you how to do it. There's two recipes. One is the vegetables cooked in peanut sauce. So I'm going to use mushrooms, broccoli, and courgette as my vegetables, and I'm going to cook that. So one of the principles of my cooking is not to add any oil or fat. So I'm going to cook the vegetables in a peanut sauce. So that's the mushrooms going into my pan. Shiitake mushrooms. So there's 3 shiitake mushrooms, and then a few white mushrooms as well. So as you can see, this recipe doesn't require too many ingredients. You know, all you need is 2 types of mushroom. You could use any different types of mushrooms. I'm using just white button mushrooms and shiitake mushrooms because it's got good flavor. Okay, so that's mushrooms, and then tender stem broccoli. You can get this from any supermarket, and hopefully if you can get them without plastic, that'd be good, but I couldn't find any. So all you need to do is just halve the broccoli and put in. So as you can see, there's not a lot of complicated cooking techniques, just chopping vegetables and putting in a pan. So it's as complicated as this. And it's very quick to make as well, so it doesn't take all day for you to do it. Here we are. The vegetable stew with peanut sauce is going very well. As you can see, it needs to keep cooking for maybe, it's been on for about 10 minutes now, maybe for another 10 minutes. I cooked with lid on for about 10 minutes, now I'm going to cook with lid off, so the liquid reduces, so it makes a nice thick sauce. And this is the rotis, coconut rotis. As you can see, it's on a medium heat, so it's not too high, not too fierce, but it's about 5 minutes on each side. So this side has been 5 minutes. As you can see, it's a bit, you can see it's a bit caramel, you can say, but it gives a taste, so, don't worry about that. It needs to be a bit like this, okay? So here we are, so it's finished. So this is the rotis complete, and this is the vegetable sauce with vegetables with peanut sauce. really nice.